About this item quality material, the MEEDEN drafting table is handcrafted from solid New Zealand pine wood. And with retro wood finish and multi-layer coatings, the table can last for years of use. Super functional, the work surface is enlarged to fit larger medium to work on, whatever it's a huge engineering project or a big graphic. The tabletop's height is adjustable from 33.5 to 40 and the angles adjust function just works fine as you want, 0 degree 65 degree. Additional design, T-square ruler and pen ledge on the edge. Upgraded structure, although the table has a retro look, but with the industrial and modern design, it performs perfectly. Dual knob keep the adjustability staying 100% shaking free, and the H-frame base adds more stability. Rich usage scenarios, with a compatible adjustable stool, wherever it is a studio for science and engineering, art, writing, or reading, and whether you are into drawing, crafting, drafting, or writing, it fits all. MEEDEN solution for all your concern, worrying about no response or auto-reply customer service. We say absolutely no to that and are deeply committed to answering any question and providing any possible way to solve problems that may occur during the use. At MEEDEN, your experience is everything. MEEDEN for